Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best hot pink spray paint is probably one of the most versatile colors you can find for DIY projects, adding a bold and vibrant touch to anything from furniture makeovers and crafting to seasonal decorations and more. In this video, we will explore what makes a great hot pink spray paint, helping you choose the perfect one for your next creative endeavor, and of course, we'll put some to the test. Number 5. Krylon COLORmaxx Watermelon Spray Paint. Get ready to experience vibrant color with Krylon COLORmaxx Spray Paint. It's fast-drying and offers superior protection for all your projects. This watermelon gloss offers a rich, glossy finish that will make your projects pop. It's perfect for adding a splash of summer to any creation. It provides excellent rust protection and fade resistance, ensuring your projects stay beautiful for years to come, both indoors and outdoors. Use it on a variety of surfaces, including metal, wood, plastic, wicker, fabric, and glass. It adheres beautifully to almost anything. The easy push, big button tip makes spraying effortless in any direction, even upside down. You'll get a smooth, even coat every time. It offers excellent durability and adhesion, so your projects will stand up to the test of time. Enjoy the vibrant color for years to come. What we like. This spray paint dries quickly and protects against rust. It's suitable for various surfaces, making it perfect for any project, big or small. If you need a durable, versatile paint that works on many materials, this is the one for you. What people say. Good coverage, vibrant color, and easy to use. As long as you do your surface prep, you should get really good results with this paint. The color payoff is fantastic, and the finish is always impressive. I also appreciate the long-lasting design, which means I can tackle multiple projects without constantly worrying about running out of paint. One coat was all it took for a smooth, even coverage. It dries fast and feels premium. Number 4. Krylon Fusion All-in-One Spray Paint. Introducing Krylon Fusion, the ultimate all-in-one spray paint. It's got superior adhesion, lasting durability, and unbeatable rust protection, all in one can. This isn't your average spray paint. It bonds 5 times stronger to almost any surface, no sanding or priming needed. Get a superior finish with ease. From crafting projects inside to outdoor furniture restoration, it's versatile enough for any job. It provides maximum rust protection, keeping your creations looking their best. It's dry to the touch in just 25 minutes and ready for handling in 2 hours. Get your project done quickly and efficiently. Krylon has been a trusted name in spray paint since 1947. Experience the quality and innovation that has made us a household name. Find the perfect shade to match your vision. It comes in a wide array of colors and finishes to suit any project. What we like. This paint boasts superior adhesion to almost any surface, eliminating the need for prep work. Its all-in-one formula provides excellent rust protection. If you're looking for a time-saving, high-performance paint for tough surfaces, this is your best bet. What people say. The color is rich and even, providing excellent coverage with just a couple of coats. It dries quickly, so you're not left waiting long between applications, and the finish is smooth and durable. After giving my chairs a simple cleaning, this paint was very easy to apply and adhered to the chairs almost 100%. I did a post-spray wipe down a few days later and obtained a minimal of colored dust on the cloth, but once removed the chairs were clean, ready for use and look like new. The paint goes on super smooth, no clumps, no weird splatter. It's like the paint knows exactly where to go, and it just wants to make everything look better. The gloss? Oh, let's talk about that shine. It's like the universe threw a spotlight on my newly painted chair. The finish is so sleek. Number 3. ARTEZA Acrylic Pouring Paint. Get ready to unleash your creativity with our vibrant acrylic pouring paint. It's pre-mixed and ready to use, so you can start creating stunning artwork right away. This neon pink paint boasts a high-flow formula, perfect for fluid acrylic pouring techniques. The vibrant color will make your projects pop. It's already perfectly mixed, saving you time and effort. Just open the bottle and start pouring. Use it on a variety of surfaces, including canvas, glass, paper, wood, tile, and even stones. The possibilities are endless. With its rich color and smooth consistency, it's easy to achieve beautiful pouring effects. Let your imagination run wild. This high-flow paint has the right ratio of pouring medium already mixed in, so you can start creating right away. What we like. This pre-mixed paint is ready to use straight from the container, saving you time and effort. Its high-flow consistency is ideal for pouring techniques. If you enjoy acrylic pouring and want a convenient option, this is for you. What people say. The ARTEZA greens are fresh, modern and more vibrant than conventional paint box greens. They skew slightly blue as well. Unusual paint. Takes a minute to get the feel of this paint. Mixes with other colors to create beautiful tones. This paint covered well. It goes on dull and then dries with a sheen, so it is easy to see where your last brush strokes were. You don't need much since it covers very well. Number 2. US Art Supply Airbrush Paint. This is a professional-grade airbrush paint, ready to create vibrant and long-lasting artwork. It's perfect for artists of all skill levels. It offers high-quality, opaque colors in vibrant shades. These ensure exceptional results in your artwork, no matter the project. This paint is conveniently ready to spray straight from the bottle. No thinning required, though a reducer is available for fine details. Made with premium light-fast pigments, it delivers permanent results. Your creations will maintain their brilliance over time. It's formulated to be non-toxic and meets ASTM B4236 standards. It's safe for artists of all ages. It's ideal for a wide range of surfaces, from canvas and paper to fabric and metal. The possibilities are endless. What we like. This airbrush paint is ready to use and requires no thinning. It's also non-toxic, making it safe for various projects. If you are looking for a safe, versatile paint for a variety of surfaces and artistic projects, this is the one. What people say. Works really well with my airbrush gun. Works great, the color pops and it doesn't clog. This paint is ready to go, just put it and then create your magic. Number 1. Montana Cans Montana Black. It's a high-pressure spray paint, giving you excellent control and handling for any project. Its nitro combination base ensures a smooth, even finish. This vibrant spray paint boasts superior coverage. You'll achieve the desired color with fewer coats, saving you time and paint. With 188 powerful colors, it adheres to virtually any surface. Let your imagination run wild. It's weatherproof, so you can use it in any season. Get consistent results, even in cold temperatures. Its short drying time allows for quick reapplication and easy layering of colors. Finish your project faster. It's a high-quality, non-scented aerosol paint, made with health and environmental standards in mind. Create responsibly. What we like. This high-pressure spray paint offers excellent control and a fast drying time, perfect for layering colors quickly. Its weatherproof formula ensures long-lasting results. If you need a professional quality paint for outdoor use, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The Montana paint is excellent and has brilliant color. The safety cap is really good. The little ring under the sprayer keeps it from spraying. Die Sprudos und der Spruwinkel sind super. Totally farb. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.